In this video, we will learn how to summarize pivot data using count, sum, and average in Excel sheet. So let's get started. Here the step-by-step guide to help you the summarize data with this matrix. I have a data here. Ensure your data in tabular format with the headers. To create a pivot table, select any cell in your data range and go to the Insert tab and click on the pivot table. In the Create Pivot Table dialog box, ensure the correct data range is selected and choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed, either the worksheet, a new worksheet, or in existing worksheet. I just select the new worksheet and click on OK. To set up a pivot table in PivotTable Field List, drag the fields in appropriate area. I dragged here product in rows area, then drag the amount in values area, then drag the location in filter areas. Here you see the value is by default in sum. Here you see the amount in by default in sum. If you want the data summarized by the count, then in value area, click on this arrow, click on the value field setting. Here in value field setting dialog box, choose here the count option and click on OK. There you see the amount is showing in count, summarized by count. If you want summarized data by average, again same, in value area, click on this arrow, click on the value field setting, choose the average option and click on OK. The amount will be showing in average. If you want the three column here, sum, count and average, then choose the value amount in value area again 3 times. Now first is average, second is a sum. I just drag the above the sum amount here. I drag average in below. Okay. Then first is the sum, second is the sum, third is the average. I click on this second arrow here and click on the value fields area and select here count option and click on OK. Now here see the three ways summarize here data: sum amount, count amount and average amount. So this is a way you can summarize data by count, sum and average in pivot table. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.